Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by applying the simplest but essential fixes so you don't waste time. First, install all Windows updates and reboot. This often restores store dependencies. Next, make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account in Settings because the store needs that token. Once done, run WS Reset, exe to clear the store cache, and verify date, time, and network connectivity so certificates and account tokens validate correctly before moving deeper. Now you'll repair the store and system files to fix deeper corruption. Reset the store app in App Settings to restore default files and permissions. This fixes many UI load errors. If the problem persists, open PowerShell as administrator and re-register the store package so AppX manifests are rebuilt. Then run sfc and dism to repair system components the store depends on. These commands replace bad files and ensure the runtime environment is healthy before you test the store again. Finish by eliminating environment and profile issues that stop the store. Check that Windows Update and related services are running, disable any proxy or VPN, and ensure firewall rules aren't blocking store endpoints. Make a new local user and sign in. If the store works there, your profile was corrupt. If none of this helps, perform an in-place repair install to refresh Windows without losing files. Tip: if things still fail, the new user test tells you whether to focus on profile repair or system repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.